days to pass. Intraday trade that reason. Now, 40% consistency on eval. Clear that buffer in 1 minute. Pay out in 3 days. Reset fee, $70. Intraday drawdown on eval and on the funded. That's brutal. Okay, so it's not in yet. All right, let me get back over here. I bet he doesn't understand intraday trailing. What do you mean? Nah, I'm cool, dude. If you're making money on it, I have no problem with them at all. I am going to avoid like the plague any accounts that are intraday trailing drawdown on unrealized profits. That is the most predatory. That is like going to get a payday loan with 500% interest that you can never pay back. That is the equivalent. Intraday trailing drawdown is the equivalent to predatory loan lending practices. Intraday is a complete ripoff. So it is the most asinine. Your firms that do that are strictly doing that because they know how difficult it is for good traders, for really good traders. It's difficult to pass intraday trailing drawdown for really good traders. Now take the 90% of traders who suck and put them in an intraday trailing. You know what you just did? You just created a money tree in your backyard. That's what intraday trailing drawdown accounts are to prop firms. They are the golden goose that lays golden eggs. It is absolutely the worst possible trading condition that you could participate in. Now, if you can get past it,
Trying to figure out how to switch my screen back.
And they try to make those benefits enticing enough for you to try to keep sticking with it. So, my opinion on Top Step, I mean, they're pretty good food. Yeah, the intraday trailing drawdown accounts, you could literally never lose one trade. You can be 100% accurate on every trade and still blow up the account. What the hell is that about? That is so dumb. So yeah, I'm not a Topstep is a good firm. They have some of their accounts ranked really high on prop score. They've got their best account is the Combine Consistency Path 50K into day drawdown. It scores a 9.1. It's their highest scoring account.
There we go, finally.
On prop score. So they got really good. The only reason I'm not a big fan of Top Step is Project X. my first few experiences with it suck. It's probably gotten a lot better now. Maybe I should give them another shot. But the intraday. I could go on and on about the intraday trailing drawdown, but when a business,
What else?
Strom said it great. When
What you
a
got,
business
cards?
is based on you failing,
Ooh, what you
then
got?
you have to go into it with your eyes
Come on,
and realize
bro.
Okay.
everything that you're
Okay.
looking at somehow is designed
Let's
specific for
Whoa.
you to not be
Ooh.
successful long term.
What?
You might find some
Crap.
short term success, but to be successful long term, it's going to be really, really
Oh my
difficult.
god.
And it's designed intentionally to do that. Now, there are some good traders that have edge in the market and have really good position management, trade management, and
Got that one?
they can take advantage of prop firms. And the way the prop firms punish them is by moving them
Oh
to
my god.
everyone else is just paying for those really good traders to post pictures of their Lambos on. I don't really use the 50% fib retracement. I'll use a 50% retracement on big moves just to find where balance is. We use that in the rocket scooter world. We call them red lines. The only way to pass intraday is YOLO, pass the buffer the first day. Yeah, KB Trade, that's what I tried to do on my TPT account on Monday, yesterday. That was the first time I tried that strategy, and it was working until it wasn't. Bankrower says, it's okay, man. I still love you. I'm going to keep running up a check on Fun to Features family, but I'm a profitable trader. Good,
So what I just did is I moved this green area into a safe spot to where if the price comes down and sweeps this green box,
like, I have no issue with
I'm guaranteed to have that. So
these firms.
I won't
Like,
go
you
all the way
need to
down
make a
here.
decision where to
Won't
spend
lose
your
much money.
and what firms to use. And you're choosing your hard. And we all get to choose our hard, you know? Like, that's the beautiful part about trading prop firms. We get to choose our hard, which is a great segue to propscore.co. This helps you choose your hard that much better. You can really dial in exactly what your stats are and what accounts you should be trading. So for me, if I want to get a max monthly payout, this is actually more like two. The Funded Next Rapid 25K is the top scoring account that I should be focused on according to this. Top Step Combine Standard is the next one. My Funded Futures 50K Rapid, no, because it has trailing drawdown. I wish there was a way we could filter out the drawdown types on these accounts. Is there a way to do that? It doesn't look like a model. I wish there was a way we could filter out trailing drawdown on here. Somebody needs to put that on the wish list for propscore.co. I want to be able to check a box that says remove anything with trailing drawdown, remove anything with daily loss limits. I want to be able to get down to what I want to see. But we get to choose our hard in this industry. We get to pick exactly what we're going to struggle with. Top left. Right, but it only shows I can do end of day, trailing drawdown, or static drawdown. I can't filter out. I can't say take it out. Like it doesn't let me say take it out, right? Am I missing that somewhere, Kyle? Like I can filter by end of day, I can filter by trailing drawdown, but it just shows me all of the accounts with trailing drawdown. I want to see all the accounts without trailing drawdown because there's some in here that have trailing drawdown. Like the Rapid account has trailing drawdown. I just don't even want to see that on my list. Yeah, I want to see how they rank But then I want to be able to tick a box that says take away trailing drawdown, take that off. And if it has daily loss limit, I want to be able to check a box that says I don't want to see any accounts. I don't want to see any account that has a daily loss limit. I don't want to see any account that has a trailing drawdown.
So what I'm doing is I'm managing my trade live by walking this up every time a new candle comes up.
Just remove them from the list completely. So I know every account that I'm.
So about every $10 or so, I'll just raise it up.
That's it. Eval and funded. Yeah, I know I can select the ones I want, and I can.
Slade.
You can
first hundo right here.
Just gonna scroll.
I'm just gonna mark that.
Some of them, like
it's
on
a bot somewhere down here, and then
trailing drawdown or not,
sold it all the way up here. And that's like what you really want to focus on trying to.
I mean, I know when you hover over it, it shows the
capture is getting a bottom.
Maybe I'm being too big.
You might not catch the exact bottom, but if you catch at least the bottom area, ride it up. So, or even be at the top, sell somewhere at the top. Probably won't catch the exact top. Ride it back down. This happens every day, every 8 minutes.
All the funded futures family, you're getting payouts within 2 hours.
Almost 23 hours a day. You do this. Closed on Saturday though.
Don't have, let's see, their prime. Prime is, it doesn't say, end of day drawdown on the eval, but what is it on the funded? It doesn't say on the funded side what it moves to. So they do have an end of day trailing drawdown. Do they have? Does it have a daily loss limit? No daily loss limit. Looks like their prime account might be the one I would be most interested in. Premier Plus, a small drawdown. End of day, straight to funded. End of day with consistency, and then their velocities are all intraday. Interesting. I'm gonna have to look at them a little bit more. Man, I hope. Okay, we're starting to get a little pullback now. All right, here's what I was hoping to see. Hopefully this doesn't do what it did last night, where this is the high of the day, and then we just drop 300 points for the rest of Asia session. No DLL, no trailing, no activation fee. One result, lucid. I like it. I like it. Swept the morning high. NQ might rotate. It could rotate down from here. We do have a unfilled gap up with the Asia session here. It just opened and ripped. It hasn't.
All right, so I'm just waiting. It's like this red candle here.
ES is sitting at the
this is
bottom
5 minutes worth of sellers.
Gap right here.
So we got a new 5 minute opened up right here.
Off of it on the bottom side
Looks
of it
like
right
it opened
now.
up with buyers.
Yellow line offered really no. I mean, it paused.
I'm just watching it right now. We're close to my signal line. This blue line right here is a signal line. So every time it crosses over, I'm looking to buy. Every time this
Where are we? Dude, are we?
Price goes below my signal line, like over here, for a brief moment, went under. So I'd be looking for a sell.
Likes. That's the first stop on the like train. 400 likes. Let's get them up. We have 2 accounts to give away tonight. We have 16 boot camps to give away tonight. But it all starts. Nothing happens until we get to 400 likes. Come on, let's get it going. Sledgehammer.
Buyers are coming back in pretty heavy. They're trying to match the top. Trying to go 5 for 5, match it. They got 5 on it.
I got a bunch of new songs in there. I gotta scroll way back up to find them. Oh yeah. Smash that like button, guys. Smash it. Smash that like button. I need to just grab this. Anyway, so I can keep it ready to go. I'll add it to my scenes. What's up, G Futures Trader? I'm great, man. How are you doing, buddy? We're just watching this Asia session melt up and run away without us. Kind of nothing to do at the moment for me, sadly. I'm not gonna read your word. Arnita, this is the best Asia session show.
I need a charger.
Great, thanks, man. I appreciate that.
So new 5-minute, bigger green candle, wiped out this red candle here.
I thought it was going to pull back. It just never did. That was the pullback. We got a 5-minute pullback, and then we're just ripping higher. What's up, Brian Jefferson? How you doing, man?
I could be done for the night. I made $100 real quick. Made $200 this morning. Not really expecting too much right now, unless I see something. But for now, my hands are off, and I'm just watching.
Why did you make going live? Well, when you go live, you get a crappy live account, and you're really capped on. You have a daily loss limit, drawdown limit. You have a monthly fee that they start charging you that they take out of your profits if you do in fact make profits. If you blow up the account, you get put in timeout, and you're not allowed to trade with them again for a while. So, for all of those reasons, I'm going to avoid going to live at the moment. I think at some point it would be
heard music
to have that just that check mark,
TV,
that badge, so to speak. Why is Papa Les trying to call me? Bro, I'm on air. Isn't it the goal to get to live trading? Micah Suarez, the goal is to have your own personal live brokerage account that you're trading. The goal is not to get moved live with a prop. The goal is to take these sim-funded accounts that they give you, take as many of the payouts as you can, move as much of that as you're comfortable with into a live account, and keep building that account up. And then when that prop firm shuts you down or bans you or says you can't trade with them anymore or whatever, they go under, you have your live cash account now that you can go trade with on your own. That's the goal. The goal is not to get moved live with a prop firm. They do not have, generally speaking, generally painting with a big brush, the prop firms don't have good live accounts. Jump Trader, I use Iron Beam, yeah.
Iron Beam. I want to check out that prop firm next.
200 steps. I know the basics, but I need to hear.
So a prop firm basically is,
what do you mean?
Instead of risking your own money, you could pay a subscription, and the prices vary by account sizes. So a 25 account, they will usually be around $30. with a discount. That's why I have discount codes on the top right, bottom right. You could use those codes to get yourself a discount. But back to the accounts, you could get a 25K account. They only ask you to get $1,500 before you activate a real funded account by them.
Oh, it was a butt dial.
You'll start earning real money. You pay yourself out every 5 days. You could have up to 5 accounts. The YouTube live I watch, the coaches, he has 5 accounts. He made $300, and since those accounts are linked, he basically made $2,000 that day. So my goal is to get this funded account, open up a new account, work that one until it's funded, build myself up 5 accounts. Because ideally you want to have an account for taxes, you want to have a savings account, and you just want to have just a spending account, I guess, just to spend, pay yourself,
Did we put in
and 2 backup accounts for whatever.
was the low of the week already in? Yes or no? Chat, what do you think? Is the low of did we just put the low of the week in yesterday?
I was hella tired. Woke up, my account was closed. So I was like, okay,
yeah, I'm out tonight. Good luck, you guys. Better luck in the New York.
Get another account.
Appreciate you being here, man. Thanks for stopping in. You can go tuck yourself.
This account right here is brand new.
Does the Pro Plus include the boot camp? Yes,
that's what I made so far.
Sure hope not, Dan.
Plus, I also have another account on this Trading View.
So, chat, you guys seem bullish. You guys seem bearish. At least some of you, like more than 50% of you think FOMCers and max setting earnings are going to rush.
So this is like your own app, the charts.
Yes, Kyle, that's exactly what I'm talking about.
All these are made by myself.
Those features.
You can name them anything you want. So I'll just put LK, LK. You could publish ideas. There's chats.
Props for it, yeah.
There's alerts. For everybody like signals or all signal-based traders. Yeah, if you don't know how to look at this and be like, all right, I'm going to buy here at the bottom. You can build yourself signals. So that's what this green dot here is. This green dot here is red dot. Those are technically signals that I created. So if the price moves over, this turns green, tells me to buy. Just ride it up until I get a red dot. Sell. Basically it.
Hammer down.
So
here's Remy, buddy.
These are all the futures that I watch.
Getting a little. What's up, buddy? You want to say hi to the strings?
Cryptos is right here. Bitcoin.
I can't put you in my lap like Matt.
Seen that Bitcoin had a pretty decent run up. So I'm hoping
Remy. He's one of our
all those crypto people caught that move. Let's look at it real quick.
Where's Maggie?
Bitcoin.
This is Maggie, our other golden doodle. She is
So Bitcoin just printed a buy signal for me.
scared. She's an old girl.
See what Bitcoin did today.
All right. This thing got blood.
It's like Bitcoin's rode
Brian Wade.
roller coaster down. Boom. 5 p.m. yesterday, all the way to 7 a.m. this morning. Now we're boxed in this little box. Right now it's about 5:30.
It could pause here somewhere. I'm not saying it will, but if there's no other
Yeah, I don't really mess with crypto that much.
Former support, former resistance, all of that. There's nothing that has nothing to do with rocket scooter, just purely former printing technical analysis. What's up, Shivax?
I wish I would have invested a long time ago, back in like 2013 though, when Bitcoin was fresh. I wish I'd invested then.
We have those two dogs, just those two, Maggie and Remy. Maggie was the big white one, and Remy was the brown one. They're both gold poodles. They are amazing. Will I explain what the boot camp is? Absolutely.
Let me see if I even got an account on this one.
If I can learn the fundamentals, I'll
trade.
If I know 10% ball knowledge, highs, lows, and some other basics. Lee Reagan, yeah, I would highly recommend go into the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp. We're going to be giving away at least 16 of them tonight at some point on the stream later in the show.
This is my account balance right here. So this is one of those Apex, like I was saying. The code for Apex, the discount code is up here in the top right. That code is saved now. Anyway, you buy yourself an Apex account, which is this. I bought a 25K account, so that's $25,000.
This isn't going to mean a lot.
Right now I made $176 on this account.
How and when they expire and how.
And my goal is 26,500.
He has contracts, and we're able to identify where on the chart they're going to be positioned, so that when price gets there, we can participate with them in those movements. So Rocket Scooter Bootcamp is fantastic. You will learn so much in there. I wish I had it when I was first starting out. It really is kind of a fast track to edge, in my opinion.
I think I have
it's the thing that took
one of these indicators published,
very profitable.
so anybody could just go in here, look up indicators. So these are like millions of indicators people make.
That's about it.
Oh yeah,
Solely Trader just
right here. I got two published. So this is a signals-based indicator. They're published to the public. Anyone could look up these indicators just by searching by name.
Not at all.
Making sure it's Stocksonwatch. And then ideally just have the same strategy for yourself. And then boom, you have this strategy on your phone, on your laptop.
To a position before it reaches, as it's approaching the level, there is an on point, which means it's just, I don't know what it's called. It's not on point, but it's whatever the word is. It's like to the tick, like you get in on the touch. And then there's an overshoot position where you can wait for the overshoot and the reclaim. So there's different ways traders use the Rocket Scooter pivots.
Clean this up,
but there's nothing else that's more accurate than they already are. I love a good edge. You know me, baby. Sharper the better.
So let's go back to the 5 minute.
You got 180 pound.
You got all these minutes up here. You could change this chart to look at every 1 minute. So every one candle would be 1 minute, 2 minute, 3, and so on. So I'll be looking at the 5 minute just for a mid. Yeah, just kind of in the middle. Then I have a 1 minute because you want to know what's going on right now.
Dave Mack says you use rocket fuel levels as they relate to the 4-hour time frame, and it has worked very well. Very good. There's a lot of people
And
that have their own kind of
pretty cool that
plan.
stocks is kind of like chart
And then
and pattern based. So like if you look up stock patterns, it'll throw these same patterns at you all the time, pretty much. So like down here, I could use an example of
use it inside of
a W.
strategy that you're already working with.
So if I could just draw,
maybe it has confluence or extra
got
information
one here,
to frame the trade idea.
Here, here, here. Boom. See the W?
Plays, is that it's pick plays? Is that different than
started noticing W's and I was like,
same?
come that looks like a W. And it happens a lot. And I was asking Chat GPT, I was like,
if you
it looks like a W, and I took a picture of it. It was telling me that it's an actual pattern that repeats a lot. It's called a double bottom pattern.
And there's a lifetime.
So double bottom means it touched the bottom twice, and then goes boom to the reversal to the upside. You could also have that for the downside as well. So that'd be a double top.
Lights, guys. We need 19 more people to smash that.
And that looks like an M.
19 more people. 17 more people as I speak. Smash that like button.
So like I see like these W's.
No, there's a bunch of.
I'm like, all right, it's about to make a W. Went down, touched the bottom once, came up a little bit, touched a bottom again. It's about to make a W. So then I ride, and I got a buy signal down here, so that confirms W. Boom, all the way up.
Part of your trading strat. Never would have learned it without Rocket. That's cool. I've never thought of that before. Tai T Trader says, I knew. Can someone explain the consistency rule? Is it by trade it goes up if you profit, or is it by the total value of the day at 200% of each trade plus 200? So the consistency rule means you can't have your total profit to your profit target. You can't have more than whatever the consistency amount is in any one day. All right, so let me break that down. I'll just use the text box here. So let's say your profit target is 15. Let's just say, yeah, $1,500. Let's just say 3,000. That's a 50K account. The profit target's 3,000, and let's say your consistency is 50%, which is what these flex accounts are that I have right here. So I have to hit $3,000, but my biggest day can't be more than 50%. So my biggest day cannot be more than $1,500, right? So if you have a 40% consistency or 20% consistency, whatever firm you're trading with, your biggest profitable day can't be more than that consistency amount before you are able to either pass the eval or perhaps take a payout. And if you have a big day, it just means you're going to have to trade longer, more days, until your biggest day is only 40% or whatever the consistency amount is of the total profit that you're trying to make. And it's based on the daily profit. can't use TradingView live data. You're going to have to get a broker that has solely trading. You're going to have to use a broker that has CQG data, like Iron Beam, AMP, Optimus. There's a bunch of them out there that offer CQG data. So you'll have to open, like a lot of people will open an AMP account because I think you're going to open an account with like $50. You can open an AMP account for like $50 or something, and then you have to tell them that you need your CQG credentials to send a Rocket Scooter, and then they'll tell you how to do that. Yeah, bank robber trading, that's the formula. Take your profit target, divide that by the minimum days to pass, and then shoot for that number each day, and you'll be on point for consistency. Papa Les says, and here's the worst thing about these rules. If you exceed by even $1, they move your profit target. Yep. If you make too much money, they tell you you have to make more money before it counts. It's really dumb. But they get to make the rules. If we're going to play their games, we have to play by the rules that they make, which means this goes back to you get to choose your hard. You get to choose what's going to be, what difficulty level you're going to operate in, what game you're going to play, and what the rules are. You get to pick. We have a buffet of accounts in front of us from all these firms. You get to walk up to the buffet and you get to pick your hard. You get to choose the rules that you're going to want to play in. And I'm telling you, if you're trying to do that without using propscore.co, you're behind the curve, and you're probably going to choose something and miss out on picking an account with a firm that you're better suited for based on the way you trade. So use propscore.co. It will really help you narrow down and filter through the garbage and find those hidden gems that you've been hoping to find. All right, so finally get into our first little 15-minute red candle after we've been just rocketing up here. Would it be good to buy the dip? Potentially. Maybe somewhere in there. Full port longs. Full port longs. Yeah. Hey, Tootie Pootie. What's up, man? Did I see the next gen accounts? I have not looked at the next gen accounts yet. I need to. I know that we've been doing giveaways on the Discord and on X, on Twitter with those, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm Liquidity says you're playing a game without knowing half the rules if you're not using PropScore. That's 100% right. You're walking in to play a game that you don't understand everything that's going on. And that's where PropScore comes in. It really is the only tool available that completely mathematically works through all the rules and points you in the right direction based on the way you trade, not on the way these firms are marketing to you, not on the way some influencer is pumping it on Twitter. Papa Les does not like the prop firm industry. They have pissed him off, man. What is the target amount to move to trading your own cash account? Rosenfeld asks. It depends. There's no right or wrong answer there. I would say if you're new to trading, you probably want to stick with prop firms and stick with the cheap prop firms. He loves the prop farm industry. Yeah, he does. Hey, moving to a live cash account, when you are consistently profitable, I think inside of prop firms, if you can figure out a way to get to a couple of payouts or consistently reach payouts with prop firms, it probably demonstrates that you have found an edge in the market, and you have self-control and self-discipline to be able then to move to a cash account. The nice thing is these cash accounts that you can get with some of these brokerages like AMP and Ironbeam and Optimus, you can control one micro ES contract for $50. So maybe put in $1,000 or $2,000 into if you wanted to just see how it felt. If it's something that you are looking for to do like long term and actually grow your account and use it as a main or a big source of your income, if not a complete source of your income, you're probably going to need high fives to low six figures, I would think. But I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not even a full-time day trader yet. I have a very, very tiny P&L live cash brokerage account right now that's just under $4,000. And I'm trying to move more and more money into that. Drop Straight says, what do y'all have for VWAP on NQ right now? The session VWAP I have is at 20.
The goal is not to work for money, but have money work for you.
Online Game Boy says, Matt, do a stream with Brad. Please. And Matt says, we should make Fridays or something a trio, all three of us. I'm down. I'm down for a Friday sesh. Pete Rocks, what firm is my bread and butter? Absolutely, 100% hands down, no questions asked, is Lucid. No questions asked is Lucid. Right now for me, their support, the accounts they offer, the payouts, how fast you can upgrade, how fast the money hits your bank.
I don't know if I want to go in 6.
Lucid right now is my bread and butter. My funded futures though is probably like Lucid is like 1A. My funded futures is like 1B. They're like right there, barely any separation. Lucid is just cheaper than my funded futures. That's why I have them at 1A, and my funded futures are 1B. Those are my top three. Boomer Trader, thanks for being here, man. Got me another like. Hey, we're at 432 likes. Let's go. 25K rocks. Yeah, that's the ones that I've made all of my money on in April so far on these payouts. They've all.
See if that helps with the audio.
These are all 25K accounts. All of those. All those payouts came off of 25K accounts. I am upgrading right now to 50K flexes. So I just picked up 3 50K flex accounts today. I made $1,500 on each of those today. And I made $625 on this 25K flex as well. So I'm moving up in the world to the 50K Lucid Flex. Yes, sir, I am. All right, guys, our first account that we're going to give away tonight is an Earn to Trade 25K Trader Career Path account. And I'm just going to show this to you one more time. I like to do this for you. So we're going to give away one of these accounts. This is a really cool account. $1,750 profit target, $1,500 end-of-day drawdown. You have a 550-day loss limit. Once you pass the eval, you move into a SIM account of 25K. Same exact rules and everything. Once you reach your profit goals, you can take out 80% of it. And then they move you to a live account. As soon as you hit your first payout, you move to a live account. And you do it all again on a live account. Same parameters, same everything. And then after you pass that one, they step you up to a 50K live account. And after you hit that profit target, they step you up to a 100K live. And once you hit that profit target, they step you up to a 200K live account. So this really is a career path where you can start with a
kind of liking this little pullback right here into this 1 minute zone.
Out with $6,000 static drawdown on that 200K account. Not bad, not bad. That's the first account we're going to give away. I do need some keyword suggestions right now. Put them in the chat. Drop it in the chat.
I just drew a yellow line to where I seen this 1 minute zone right here. This mini one here.
Three-way.
See what it does.
Papalito.
Yeah, right here was where I would like to buy. If I was gonna buy.
Wednesday banana, the Labrador, the Winter. These are all really good. There's one that always just jumps out to me right now. I think
Just thinking out loud helps me. Oh, and we got a buy signal. Confirm it.
who's not down for a big three-way?
I'm gonna test it out. Test the theory.
Good word. Bot is turned on. You can start typing it in chat right now. We're gonna give. Are you freaking kidding? Are you kidding?
Sometimes it'll also erase if the candle did not print.
That is crazy. Sniffing wicks. Sniffing wicks. Tried to tickle it. It got right up there. I had my fingers ready to tickle it. Trump is speaking. Here we go.
Oh, yeah. Trump is speaking. Oh.
I better take the limit order. I'm going to take that off. Trump's talking.
I better set the limits.
All right. 2 hours into the stream, things are going really well. I've made $40 tonight. We got 800 people on the show right now. Thank you guys so much for joining the night shift. My name is Brad. I'm your host on the Day Trading with Matt YouTube channel. We have 3 shows that come on this channel every single day. Matt, the founder of this YouTube channel and the inventor of the Rocket Scooter platforms and the creator of TopScore.co. He trades the New York session in the morning. He comes on about 30 minutes before.
If it breaks my yellow line, I'm getting out.
Trades all morning all the way up to lunch. Then our friend Neon comes on at 1:30.
If it bounces off my yellow line, comes back up, I'll probably buy another one.
Of course, on Thursday night, we get on about 7 Eastern and we go for 4 hours every single night. And if you haven't yet joined the Prop Score Discord, there are giveaways happening over there all day, every day. Anytime we're not on a stream, there's probably a giveaway happening in the Prop Score Discord. So you're going to want to join.
All right, so my green dot
Prop Score Discord
went away. My candle did not print.
And I don't know what the number is up to now, but it's getting bigger.
But we didn't cross the yellow line either. So
building out the community together. And it's a nice little pullback there. I'm wondering if this is.
If it goes green on the bottom here,
and then we just sold.
I'll just add one in the favor.
I mean,
In my favor, if I'm green.
Kyle Kyle says almost 2,500. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Almost 2,500 on the prop score Discord right now. That's fantastic.
Let's see if we'll get a 3-bar reversal to the upside. 5 minute.
How many we got? We got, it's about to roll over. We've got about 300. I'm going to give you one more minute. If you're just joining the stream, you have one more minute. If you have not yet typed the code word three-way, you haven't typed the code three-way into the chat, now's your opportunity to do it. You've got about 45 more seconds. It will enter you into the giveaway. We are giving away a 25K earn to trade account, trader career path. We'll be giving that away in about 30 seconds. So this is your opportunity to get a free account to try out, to trade with. I have never traded with Earn to Trade. I would love to know what your experience is like with them. They gave us a bunch of these accounts to give to the community, so. What's up, man? Diane Joy, thanks for coming in. You're going to launch a prop firm to make it fair? Come on, Papa Les. If anybody can do it, you can. I know a YouTube channel that would love to. We'll highlight your accounts. We'll trade them live on stream. All right, guys. All right, I'll give you 30 more seconds. Let's get our wheel of name is up here. I'm going to shrink it down so I can watch this chart over here. In case something happens, I want to be able to jump over to my DOM and see what's going on, all right? All right, that's it. No more entries. Entries are closed. The bot is turned off. No more entries. That's it. Nada. No mas. Sippo. Silcho. Got them all. 368.
All right, across my green line.
All right. Here we go. We're spinning the wheel for an earn to trade 25K trader career path. Shuffling it up. Good luck to everyone. The winner is Jamax 31415. Congratulations, Jamax 31415. Type something in the chat. Let me know you're here to claim your prize.
All right, yeah, I'm out of here. That was a bad trade. I don't even have no signal.
A 25K earned to trade.
Except for that red signal up there, I guess.
Listen up, my friend. This is exactly
what end up here, I guess.
Go to Discord. You can find the link to the Discord in the description of this video.
$30 loss, but that's nothing. Can't build. Couple minutes of work.
When you go into that Discord, after you join Prop Score Discord, that was my limit order right there, by the way. Man, what a whip tickle that would have been. Sad. You're going to go to the claim your win.
Right, now I'm going to watch.
And there is a form there for you to fill out, claim your win. You'll fill out that form, and there's instructions on how to claim your prize from that point forward, okay?
I did notice I'm like 10 minutes lagged.
I'm just putting the information in our spreadsheet here. Bam. Bam. That's easy. Hopefully that works. VIX at triple B. Why is my VIX delayed, man? Why is my VIX not on in updating overnight? I've never since I've started trading the energy session, I never look at the VIX, but I've noticed that my VIX is not on in updating.
Trying to figure out how to fix my lag.
Your feed for VIX is real time. Oh, so I need to change regular trading hours? No. Global trading hours? Is that it? VVIX futures, not VIX. So my VVIX is delayed. I have a delayed on my VVIX on TradingView. Yeah, I know. Yeah, so